Hello everyone, now I'm going to show you how to implement a simple sealing logic which consists of a combination of series and parallel contacts. Now, first let's create a new network as usual, add a new contact. Parallel to this contact, I'll add another one. And after these two contacts, I'll add a negated contact. And finally, a coil. Now, the way a sealing logic works is that we have an input contact right here that when closed will send a signal to this coil, and this coil will be linked to this contact right here, which will also send a signal to this coil. So even though if we disable this input contact right here, this contact, which is linked to the coil, will still maintain the signal flowing to the coil. And the only way to reset the logic is by opening this contact right here, which will break the connection. Now, before we test this logic, let's assign our variables. So for the input contact, I'll assign input 6. For the reset contact, input 7. For the coil, output 3. And since we want to link this coil to this contact, I'll also assign output 3. Okay, let's test it. Go to the online tab and press on login. Put it on run mode. Now we can test it. I'll enable input 6. Ctrl plus F7 to write the values. Okay, as you can see, output 3 is enabled, and it also enabled this contact right here. So even if I disable this contact, output 3 will remain turned on. Now to reset this logic, all I have to do is to break this signal right here. So I'll open this contact right here, and there we go. That's how you make a sealing logic in Master Tool. That's it for today's video, and I see you on the next one.